Hello, Glam Fam. Welcome to Phoenyx Nailz. I'm Sapphire. Today we're creating a semi-minimalist press-on nail design that's elegant, intentional, and beginner-friendly. Whether you're new to gel or building your confidence, you're in the right place. Grab your gel, get comfortable, and let's create something boldly beautiful.
Fresh set, new mood, walk in, they choose, no stress, just shine, every look on mine, built bold, built bright, on every spotlight, hands up, watch close, confidence it shows, Phoenyx Nailz, watch me rise, every color, catch your eyes, made to stand, made to shine, every set, one of a kind, Phoenyx Nailz, feel the flame, built different, that's the name, turn the room, every time, watch me redefine, yeah, new drop, same fire, dream big, aim higher, create, don't chase, leave your own trace, from the ashes I create, every set elevates, no copy, no disguise, this is how Phoenyx flies, Phoenyx Nailz, nails, 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 Phoenyx Nailz, nails, 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 nails,
Are you interested in handmade skincare? Indulge in handmade luxury from KKreations skincare soaps, facial gels, and oils crafted with intention and love. We offer soap enhancements like sea moss gel, manuka honey, and hyaluronic acid to create the perfect soap bar for your particular need. Pamper your skin the way you pamper your spirit. Click the link in the description box below to visit our Etsy shop to experience self-care reimagined.
nails.